Now we will go to the second operator, which is the divergence of vector field. The definitions of divergence of any vector like A, it is the limit when the volume approach to point for the enclosed surface integral for the flux A dot ds over delta V. Now we will write the divergence of vectors in rectangular coordinates. Divergence A equal partial x hat plus partial y hat plus partial z hat dot the vector field, which is ax x hat, ay y hat plus az z hat. We know that the unit vectors of x dot x hat equal 1 and so on to the y hat and z hat. So we obtain the partial ax over partial x plus the partial ay over partial y plus the partial az partial z. Now B, it is cylindrical coordinates. The divergence of A in cylindrical coordinates is equal to the 1 over r, the partial r for r a r plus 1 over r partial a phi over partial phi plus partial a z over partial z. The last one is the divergence in spherical coordinates. Divergence A in spherical coordinates equal to 1 over r square, the partial r for r square a sub r plus 1 over r sine theta, the partial over partial theta for sine theta a theta plus 1 over r sine theta for the a sub phi over phi.